If you've ever dreamed of waking up in the mountains, surrounded by trees, with the sound of a stream outside your window, keep watching. Because today, I'm taking you inside a gorgeous chalet-style cabin right here in Murphy, North Carolina, Cherokee County, and this one is different. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath cabin with natural wood walls, a stacked stone fireplace, and a covered back porch that backs up to hardwood trees and a private stream. And it's priced at just $328,000. That's $397 per square foot in the North Carolina mountains. Now, if you miss the inside of this cabin, I promise you, you will regret it. I searched hard to bring this one to you. So let's step inside. Now, if this mountain cabin is calling your name, the full listing is linked below. You can check the Zillow page, see all the photos, and get pre-qualified starting at just $1,935 a month. If you like this tour, hit that like button and subscribe. I bring you the best properties across America. I'll see you in the next one.